was needing a new toilet seat, so I went with this one from Bemis. There's a couple of reasons why I chose this one. One reason is they are inexpensive, so you get a lot of bang for your buck. Also, these are the quick connect style, so they're easy to remove and change out or take it off to clean it. So let's remove this old one and I'll show you how to install the Bemis.
I really love these quick connect toilet seats from Bemis. I use them all the time, and I will put a link where you can find these in the description of the video.
Inside the box, you'll find everything you need to install your toilet seat. There are the new bolts. Now, they do come in the round. This is for a round toilet. They also come in the elongated style. And I needed a bone color for this toilet. So this is like the off-white bone color that matches my toilet here. They also come in the white. Inside the package with the toilet seat bolts, you'll find a little pack for the instructions. You don't really need those. All you need to do is screw on the bolts. These use a special style toilet seat bolt that has this top part on it that the toilet seat clips to, so you will have to use these specific ones. Just drop the bolts through the top into the holes, and then you'll screw this part. You hold this onto the bottom and screw the bolt from the top, and the flat part up here goes up. Finger tight is probably good enough. They're on there nice and snug, but if you want to use a screwdriver to tighten it just a little more, it might not hurt. Now to attach the seat to the bolts, you'll turn this top part here just a quarter turn, maybe not even quite a quarter turn, to the left and snap them down. Then with it on there, twist them back up straight again. That will lock it in place. Then if you want to remove it to clean it or replace it, you just turn those back over, just that little quarter turn, and they'll pop off, clean it, put it back on again. This quick connect is why I love these Bemis toilet seats. I put these in all my rentals, so whenever somebody moves out, I can swap them out real easy. I think they're just fantastic.
Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you back here next time.